Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to ACE Online. As a part of SSC CGL preparation, yesterday we are done with averages topic, few questions and few concepts. Today, let us go ahead with the remaining concepts, my dear friends, in averages. Okay. See this. In this averages, okay, two models we completed, and in model 3, few questions already done, including, excluding or replaced related. In previous session, we are done with few questions. Now let me continue with remaining questions, my dear friends. Including, excluding or replaced. When one person is included, one person excluded, one person is replaced by the other person, how to solve that we discussed in previous session. Now let me go ahead with, if two or more people are included, okay, when two people include, one people excluded, one person is excluded, how to handle those type of questions, we'll discuss in this model 3 now, my dear friends. Okay, see the question now. Here they given captain of a cricket team. This is the first question in today's session. The captain of a cricket team of 11 members is 26 years old and the wicket keeper is 3 years older. Okay, this is in the sense 3 years older than the captain. Okay, wicket keeper is 3 years older than the captain. Captain is 26 years age. Wicket keeper is 3 years older than the captain. Next, if the age of these two are excluded, here two people are excluding, my dear friends. Captain and wicket keeper both are excluded. Now, the average age of the remaining players is 1 year less than the average age of the whole team. You have to find average age of the team. The entire team, what is the average age? We have to calculate, right? Now, just try to understand the question. We have 11 members team. Among that 11 members, two players are excluded, captain, wicket keeper. Now, remaining 9 people are available. Now, what is the average of that 9 players or remaining players is 1 less than the average of the whole team. Now, you have to find average of the entire team, 11 members team. Okay. Now, this is the scenario. See, when two people excluded or two people included, okay, you can go with the basic approach. Later we will discuss how to perform equal distribution approach as well. Now, my dear friends, before going for this question, so you can recall in the previous session we discussed average is nothing but, average or mean is nothing but sum of terms divided by number of terms. Okay, have you got this formula? Everything we discussed in the previous session, right? Now from this I can also use sum of terms or total. Sum of terms we can also call it like a total. Sum of terms or total, we can mention this as average into number of terms. We can also call sum of terms or total is nothing but average into number of terms, my dear friends. Average is sum of terms divided by number of terms. From this we can also conclude sum of terms is equal to average into number of terms. Okay, using this basic formula, we will solve this question, two people excluded. Then we have the main motto of this average is equal distribution. How to solve, using that also we will discuss, right? Now guys, we have 11 members. Okay, so among that 11 members, okay, 11 members are available, fine. 11 members average not given. This 11 members team average is not given. Let it be equal to A, my dear friends. 11 members average is A. Among this 11 members, captain age 26 years, wicket keeper 3 years older than the captain, 29, and still you have 9 players is there. After these 2 people are excluded, still 9 more players are available. This 9 players average is given as, what is there in the question? You just see what is the average they mention. The remaining players is 1 year less than the average age of the whole team. Whole team average is something, let it be A, we already considered here. Now this 9 players average is nothing but A minus 1, 1 less than the whole team, right? Just now we discussed sum equal to average into number of terms. Sum of terms are totally equal to average into number of terms. Let me utilize this one here, my dear friends. Say this, 9 players average is A minus 1, they given. 9 players average is A minus 1. Now what is the sum of that 9 players? Sum equal to average into number of these 9 players. I am writing in a short way P129. P129 means P1 plus P2 plus P3 up to P9. Okay, in a short form, we can write P129. P129, sum of this is nothing but average into number of, how many players? 9 players. What is the average? A minus 1. I can write this as 9 into A minus 1. This is using the second average. For 9 players, average is A minus 1. Okay, now from that point, I can say 9 players summation, 9 players age is nothing but 9 into A minus 1. Okay, fine. Whereas here 11 members are available, those 11 members average is nothing but A, right? Now you just apply sum equal to average into number of players and number of persons for this, my dear friends. Then what will happen? 11 members, right? Who is that 11 members? Is captain, wicket keeper plus 9 players is nothing but equal to 11 into A. Average is A, number of persons is 11. Captain, wicket keeper and 9 players, all this summation or total is equal to 11 into A. We know captain is nothing but 26 from the question age, wicket keeper age is 29, and we know from second average P129, 9 players total is nothing but 9 into A minus 1 is nothing but 11A. From this 26, 29 minus 9 is 20. So 26 plus 20, 46. 11A and 9A, we got 2A. A is nothing but 23, my dear friends. So the average age of the whole team is nothing but 23 years. Entire team, whole team, the average age of the whole team they are asking, or average age of the team is nothing but 23. If they ask after the 2 people excluded means 22. Okay, 1 less than the average of the whole team, right? Remaining players, what is the average of the remaining players means 22, of the entire team is nothing but 23, right? So this is the basic approach using the formula sum or total equal to average into number of persons, as this is regarding players. Okay, sometimes if it is regarding innings, matches means number of matches. Okay, depends on the given situation, right? So this is okay fine using formula, but we have average. What is the main goal of average? Our main motto for average is equal distribution, right? Equal distribution. Now using that point, my dear friends, we can also discuss this question. Now see, 11 players is there. Okay, among 11 players, 2 people are excluded. Now 9 players are available. 11 players average, let it be equal to A. 9 players average is A minus 1, right? Now focus, my dear friends, focus here. Very simple shortcut we are giving using that equal distribution concept is, see, 11 players average is A means everybody like A like that, fine. Now A minus 1, average is decreased by 1. When 2 people are excluded, average is decreased by 1. Means those 2 people have more age. When 2 people excluded, average decreased means, okay, those 2 people who left over must have more age. Okay, now see this point, average is decreased by 1. How many people are there? 9 people are there, 9 players are there, means total 9 decreased. Okay, total is decreased by 9. Guys, keep in mind this point. Yes, average decreased by 1. As you have 9 players, what is the total decreased? 9 decreased. Meaning, those 2 people who left over, they are having 9 more. Why here 9 decreased is 2 people left over, right? Those people have definitely 9 more. Who are the people left over? Captain, 26. Wicket keeper, 29. These people have 9 more. 9 extra here. These people taken 9 extra. Okay, 9 extra they taken, right? Now remove that 9 from these people. Okay, I have to remove 9. So let us call this is 26 and 20. Okay, I have to remove 9. Why I am removing 9 is, yes, these people taken 9 extra than average. Whatever they require, they take 9 extra. I remove that 9. This is now 46. 46, right? This is 46 is equally distributed for 2 people. If we equally distribute 46 for 2 people, then this is 23. Distribute that 46 equally for 2 people, it is 23. So everybody is now 23, means average is 23. See the approach, average is 23. Without using equations we are doing, let's try to sense it, my dear friends. Average decreased by 1. How many people are there? 9 people, means total 9 decreased. Here 9 decreased means that 9 is taken by these people who left over. Okay, here 9 extra is there. So that 9 I am removing. To find the average, first if I remove 9, I have 46. That is equal distributed, means 23 and 23. So average is 23. These people taken 9 extra. 3 here extra, 6 here extra. 9 taken extra total. Together, 2 people together taken 9 extra. Okay, together 9 extra. I removed that 9. I have got 46. That is equal distributed, means 23. Equal distribution. Okay, so or else we can go with this method, which if it is convenient. I strongly suggest, okay, when 2 people or 3 people or more people are including and excluding, better to go with this equation format. Because your imagination, sometimes you will do mistake. This is all with imagination. Yes, you have those people left over, they take a 9 more, okay, that 9 removed, that should be distributed to 2 people. This is not for 1 person, this 46 is for 2 persons. If you understand this approach, fine, good. But if you are not understand this one, you can go with simple equation format. Okay, sum equal to average into number of, or total equal to average into number of. 9 players total is this, and then 11 players total when you calculate, we can find average A. Got it? Now see the next question, my dear friends. In similar lines, given in previous SSC CGL, there is a mistake in key actually in that paper. Okay, so we change the key here. Actual key, okay, is different they given, but correct answer is this one. There is a mistake in the question itself. Okay. Now let's see about this data, my dear friends. This is a bit interesting compared to previous question. In previous question, 2 people excluded, that's it. But here, average age of 20 students is 21 years. 2 students leave the group. Among 20 students, 2 students leave the group and 1 new student joined. 2 left and 1 joined. Okay, it's not like replaced also. 2 left, but only 1 person joined, right? Okay. The average now becomes 20 years. Average decreased. Okay, good. Now, if age of one of the student who left the group is 26 years and one who joined is 20, then what is the age of the other student who left the group? 2 people left the group, right? 1 student age is 26. What about the other student age? They are asking. 1 person joined, that person age also given. Now say this equation, my dear friends. Average age of 20 students is 21 years. Okay. Now I know already 2 people are leaving from the group. Among 20 students, 2 people are leaving the group. I know that point already. Now what I will do, so we will go for the equation. Sum equal to, same policy, sum equal to average into number of students here. Number of persons or number of students. Right. Now initially, average of 20 students is 21 they mentioned. Right. So 20 students, I am writing S1 to 18. 18 students, 2 people to left, right. I am naming them as A and B. Before itself, instead of writing 1 to 20, I keep in mind, yes, 2 people are going to leave the group. Let us name that as A and B. Okay, S1 to 18. Average is 21. Number of people is 20. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Next, the second situation is what? These 2 people left, 1 person joined. This 18 is fixed. Now that 18 people are already there. Now instead of these 2 people, 1 person is joined. Let that person who joined is J. 1 person is going to join for this 18. Let the person who is joined is nothing but J. Now what is the average now? Okay, after the 2 people left, 1 person joined, average now become 20. How many people are there now? So guys, 2 people left, 1 person only joined, number of students is 19. 20 into 19. This is equation 2. Now if you perform equation 1 minus equation 2, my dear friends, S1 to 18, S1 to 18 will cancel. It's simple. A plus B minus J is nothing but equal to 420 minus 380. It's 40. Here, yeah, 20 into 21, 20 into 19, like that also 20 into 21, 20 into 19, difference is 20 into 2, nothing but 40. So A, one person who left is already given. What is that one person left age is 26. Other person I don't know. Let us they given the data. This is 26. B you don't know. The person who joined is 20, that is also given. See the question, the one person who joined is 20 years age, right? Now here 20 is nothing but equal to 40, my dear friends. Now if you calculate B value, you are getting B value 34. The person who, other student, two students left the group, one person is 26, the other person is 34. 34, my dear friends. See this, 34, it's not 14, okay? So it's a in the question, you just make sure there is a typing mistake. Okay, it's not 14, it's 34. 34 is the correct answer. This is the standard approach using equation. Yes, two people I want to leave the group. The two people are leaving the group. So I should keep in mind, yeah, instead of writing S1 to 20 directly, you can separate that before itself. It's almost like solving the equation. This question and previous question looks like you are solving the equation, my dear friends. Linear equation, say you are forming the equation and you are solving the equation, right? Let's go ahead with the next question, my dear friends. Hope you understand this second question. See the next question. See this third question, my dear friends. This question is common in all competitive exams. They are asking this question in many competitive exams. Okay, common question in all competitive exams I can say. Let's see this question, very simple question. Let's try to solve this question, my dear friends. Read the data. Read the data. You can also post your answers in the chat box. Let me go through that. So guys, let's see about this question. The average weight of three men, A, B and C, is 84 kgs. Three men, average is 84 kgs. Now D joins the group. Average now become 80 kgs. When D join the group, average decreases. Means D is less weight than the average. That you can sense. Okay, next one. E is 3 kg more than that of D and more than that of D and replaces A. Yeah, E is replacing A. Initially A, B, C, D are there. A, B, C is there initially. Then A, B, C, D. See the situation. Initially A, B, C are available. For A, B, C, D joins the group. Okay. Then what they want to convey? E is replacing A. E is replacing A. Now E, B, C, D are available. This is what they conveyed in the information here. Initially A, B, C are there. D joins. Now you can see E replaces A. E is 3 kg more than D. E is 3 kg more than that of D. And now replacing A, the average weight of B, C, D and E. B, C, D and E. Again, sum equal to average into number of. There are many approaches. We can also say, sir, one person included, one person replaced. We can solve this question in that fashion also, my dear friends. One person replaced, here one person joined, one person included. You can do that like that, or else you can go with equation format. Okay, sum is nothing but average into number of. A, B, C, average is they given as 84. As you have 3 people, 84 into 3. When D joins the group, average become 80. Now 80 into 4. Okay. And when A is replaced by E, when B, C, D and E are there, average is 79. There is one more information. E is 3 kg more than D. This is the entire data, my dear friends. What are data is there in the question? Now we converted into equation format. Yes, 3 people average is 84. When D joins, average is 80. E is 3 kg more than D. B, C, D, E average is 79. Okay, now you have to calculate weight of A. Okay, you have 4 equations. Okay, 5 unknowns. Okay, you have to find A value now. Okay, So guys, let's see these two equations. This is 252. You can find here 320 and this is 316, right? Now if you just go ahead with the first and second equation, my dear friends, a plus b plus c is 252, a, b, c, d is 320. From equation 1 and 2, if you subtract these two equations, d is nothing but 320 minus 252. Hope you got 68, my dear friends. You just go ahead with this equation, okay, you can find it. D is nothing but 68. D value is 68, my dear friends. Okay, once you are done with D value, E can be considered as 68 plus 3, 71. E is 71. You can use equal distribution or you can use 1% included, 1% replaced. There are many ways to solve. Okay, your wish, what are the methodology you are applying. Okay, this is one among the methods. Right now here A is replaced by E, E is 71. Now if we go ahead with these two equations, my dear friends, BCD is common. When you subtract these two equations, BCD cancelled, A minus E. If you solve these two equations, I can put it here, A minus E is nothing but 320 minus 316, 4. A is E plus 4. As E is already 71, we know A can be considered 75 kgs. Okay. Same question repeatedly asking in a lot of competitive exams. Instead of kgs, they will mention marks. Okay. It is kgs or sometimes they will mention marks, and also here weight of A is nothing but 75 kgs. 71 is E. D is 68. 3 unknowns we came to know using this equation, 4 equations, 5 unknowns, but we are able to find only 3 unknowns. D is 68, E is 71, A is 75, my dear friends. Right. Okay. This is what regarding that people joined, people replaced. Okay. Now see one more question. Few questions we already discussed in the previous session regarding 1% including, 1% excluding questions. Okay. Now let's see about this one, my dear friends. Average weight of 45 students in a class is 52 kgs. 5 of them whose average weight is 48 kgs leave the class, and other 5 students whose average weight is 54 kgs join the class. Among 45 students, 5 students leave the class. Now 5 students join the class. Instead of going with equal distribution and all, it's better to go with equation solving. As more people leave the group, more people are joining the group. Okay, better to go with equation model. Now they're asking new average, right? Fine, see this, my dear friends. New average, what are the average? New average or old average or correct average? Average is nothing but total or sum divided by number of, here this is regarding weight, total weight divided by number of students. Average is nothing but total weight divided by number of students, my dear friends. Yeah. New average. So what is the total weight? Initially, average weight of 45 students in a class is 52. Means when average is 52 means we can imagine or we can estimate everybody is 52 like that. 45 students, each person like 52 we can consider. It's not mandatory, it's an imagination we can assume. Yes, average is for maintain equality, right? Average of 45 students is 52 means we can imagine everybody is like 52. Reality may be different. We can imagine or we can estimate that okay, everybody is like 52. Fine. Now 45 students, so I can say 45 into 52 initially, but 5 students left whose average is 48, then 5 students whose average 54 is joined. So what is the total is 45, 5 left and 5 joined. Total is not disturbed. Total is not disturbed, 45, 5 left, 5 joined. If 4 left and 5 joined also no problem, but denominator will change. Total strength will disturb, but equation no problem, you can go ahead. Okay. Now don't multiply this and create it as a big term. Okay, then dividing is complicated. What you can do, denominator is 45, hope you can understand, right? 45 into 52 divided by 45, and here I can take 5 common, my dear friends, 5 common. If we take 5 common, 54 minus 48, that is also dividing by 45. See, denominator is 45 here. Okay, instead of multiplying this and doing all the calculation and dividing with 45, time waste, I am directly dividing this first term and second term. These two terms were taken as one, okay, dividing with 45. Here 45, 45 cancel, 5 ones, 5 nines, my dear friends. Now see this is 52, 54 minus 48 is nothing but 6. 6 by 9, this is 3 twos, 3 threes. 52 plus 2 by 3, my dear friends, we can consider this as mixed fraction 52 2 by 3 kgs. So new average is 52 2 by 3 kgs, my dear friends. You just see this is what the new average 52 2 by 3. Okay, so see the calculations, my dear friends, is average is total divided by number of 52 2 by 3. Option D, my dear friends. What is the average? Yeah, 52 plus 2 by 3 is nothing but 52 2 by 3. 52 plus 1 by 3 is 52 1 by 3. We can write directly. 6 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 or 6 1 by 3 we can write directly in mixed fraction. Meaning is same. Meaning is same. Yes, this is equal to this one. New average 52 2 by 3, my dear friends. Right. Now let's go ahead with the next model. Okay, this is all regarding, okay, few people join, few people leave. It's like including, excluding, replaced. Okay, you can use equation model or you can apply equal distribution. Okay. Now see the next one, very simple model is weighted averages. They given more 2 or 3 averages, we should find the weighted average. Suppose the question may be like 12 girls, average age is 20 years. Okay, 8 boys, age is 25 years. Okay, 12 girls average age is 20 years, 8 boys average is 25 years. Here X people average is A1, X A1, okay, Y A2. Then what is the total average of this? Total, what is the overall average? Okay, means here 12 girls average age is 20, means each one 20 we can imagine. So as what is the, we can calculate what is the overall average or weighted average here, our whole class. This is suppose a class is having 12 boys, 12 girls and 8 boys. What is the average age of the class? Okay, what is the overall average? If they ask, you can do this like, okay, 12 girls, each one age is 20, like that we can consider 12 into 20, and 8 boys, each one age is 25, 8 into 25, divide by total. See, total age, average, overall average age they are asking. So total age divided by number of students. Yeah, here number of students is 12 plus 8. This is the way they'll ask the question, and you can do that calculations easily. Yeah, anyhow 20 cancel, this is 200, we'll get 10, so I think you got 22. If you just do these calculations, my dear friends, average age of the class is nothing but, our overall average age is nothing but 22 years, you will get it. Okay, but see, this is how you should handle weighted averages. I'm not giving you the formula. Okay, if you want, okay, suppose X people average is A, Y people average is B, then X into A, Y into B divided by X plus Y. You may have 2 averages or you may have 3 averages, okay, different, then we have to club all that. Okay, overall average if you want to calculate. Now see the first question which is given in SSC CGL related to this weighted averages, my dear friends. So I think in today's session we are already done with 4 questions. Now see the 5th question. Average age of the marks obtained in an examination by 8 students is 51. 9 other students was 68. 8 students 51, their average. 9 other students is 68. What is the average marks of all 17 students? Total 17, right? Now what you should do, this 8 students average is 51, means 8 into 51 is the total marks they got. And remaining 9 other students, their average is 68. Divide by 8 plus 9. Now again, don't waste your time by multiplying the previous one and then dividing with the 17. Individually you can divide, my dear friends. You can divide these terms individually. So this is 8 into 51, denominator is 17. Here also 9 into 68, denominator is 17. So 17 3 times, 17 4 times. If you just calculate this, 24 plus 36, we got 60. Okay, so the average marks is nothing but 60. What is the overall? The entire 17 students, average of 17. I'll just put suffix as 17, yes. 17, yes. 17 students, average is 60 here, my dear friends. See this? Okay, it's similar to the question what we given, that is regarding age, but this is regarding marks. 60, right? We can multiply that and adding, then dividing with 17 is also okay. But to save timing, you can individually divide each term with 17. So that terms are cancelled. We got 60, right? Okay. So the next question. Question, my dear friends. Read the question. I'll wait for your answers. Yeah, Himanshu Shekhar, good. Solve this question, my dear friends. The average age of 20 numbers is 15 and the average of first to 5. So average of 20 numbers is 15, not age, sorry. Average of 20 numbers is 15 and the average of first to 5 is 12. Average age of the rest. Say among 20 numbers, average is 15. You know, among this 20, 5 numbers only, you know. This 5 numbers average is 12. Now you have to calculate remaining means 50 numbers average. This one you have to calculate. Okay, second one you have to calculate. Overall average, you know, this 5 numbers average, you know, you have to find remaining 15, right? What you can do, you can use single equation to solve this. Okay, see, 20, you need average of that 15 members means that 15 members total you want. How you get 15 members total? Among the overall count, we should remove this 5. Then this 15 members total will be obtained. So 20 into 15, 20 into 15. This 5 people average is 12. That if you remove, divide by number of people. Among 25 remove 15. 15 numbers. Yeah, average of 15 numbers. Numerator again you can divide with 15 separately. Or yeah, you can divide with 15 separately. 20 into 15 divide by 15 minus 5 into 12 is 60 divide by 15. Like this separately you can do, or do this multiplication later you can divide with 15. It's your wish how to do. So 16 is the average of the remaining 15 numbers, my dear friends. You know, total average is 15. This average is 12. What about remaining people, remaining numbers? Average is nothing but 16. 16 is the average of the remaining numbers. Got it? So you can use this approach. 16 is the answer. Right. This question, my dear friends, how to approach. See, instead of doing all this, this question can hardly, you can take 10 seconds to solve this question. Listen, my dear friends, one simple point. 20 numbers average is 15. 20 numbers average is 15. This 5 numbers is 12. If you want 15 means remaining should be more than 15, right? This is less than that. You want average is what? Balancing. Balancing. Balancing is 15. These people are less than. Suppose this is 15. This group, 2 groups are there. You want 15. One group is less than that. Okay, 12. This is 15, this is 12. The other group should be more than 15. Then only balancing, okay, equality will be 15 will come. Overall, you want 15. Okay, this group is 12. Other group should be more than 15. This is less than 15 means other group should be slightly more than 15. Then only balancing will come 15. More than 15, only one option is there. More than 15, only one option. So directly I can go with option A. There are many ways, that's what we are trying to say from question 1 onwards. Okay, you have multiple ways to solve. Each question have its own unique style. Okay. So the next model, my dear friends, here you have to find nth number, maybe 6th number or 7th number. Okay, likewise you have to calculate. They give first P numbers average, last Q numbers average is given. Average of first P and average of last Q is given, and you have to calculate average, find nth number, find 7th number, 9th number, 3rd number, 4th number, depends on the data, but they give an average of first P and last Q. In question clearly they will mention first P numbers, first 5 numbers, last 5 numbers, like that. Now see the question to understand, and we will see the shortcut also, my dear friends. See this here, I hope you are in 9th question now. Yeah, sorry, 7th question. So this 7th question, my dear friends, all previous SSC CGL questions we are discussing. Okay, we are trying to cover as many questions as possible in previous papers, my dear friends. Average age of 11 numbers is 63. Okay, 11 numbers is 63. First 6 numbers, last 6 numbers, first P numbers, last Q numbers is given. They are asking find the 6th number. So guys, see, among 11 numbers, first 6 numbers, among 11 numbers, first 6 numbers means, okay, it's 1 to 6, right? 1 to 6, first 6 numbers. Last 6 numbers means from where to where? Among 11 numbers, last 6. Don't say 7 to 12. 7 to 12, you just count it. Is it 7 to 12? No, 11 only, right? 7 to 11. 7 to 11 is only 5 numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 only. 6 to 12. See, 6 is common in both. They are asking that 6th number only. 6 is the one which is common in both. They are asking that 6th number. Okay, among 11 numbers, first 6 numbers average is given. 11 numbers average also mentioned. 11 numbers average is 63. Numbers average is 65. First 6 numbers average is 60. You have to find 6th number which is common in this. See, very simple approach, my dear friends. Yeah, sorry, 6 to 11, it's not 6 to 12. While writing, it's a mistake here. Yeah, it's 6 to 11, my dear friends. 6 to 11, right. Now, if I add these two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 numbers covered, here also 6 is there. Okay, take that 6 out, 1, 6 you separate, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All these 11 numbers exist here, but 6th number is double times there, right? Okay, 1 extra is there. Now adding these two, and if you subtract 11 numbers, you will get the 6th number. Adding these two, okay, you have 6 numbers, here also 6. 6th number is double times there. Here 1 extra compared to this one. Here 11 numbers means 1 to 11, right? Just see what is the shortcut when they given, okay, 11 numbers here, 6 plus 6, 12 is there. You have 11, but here first 6, last 6 means 12. Then what you have to do? You find sum of these two, subtract this one, you get directly the answer, my dear friends. What is the 6th number? Okay, what I mean to say, this total 6 numbers, what is the total? Average 60 means 60 into 6. This is first 6 numbers. First 6 numbers total. Last 6 numbers also. What is last 6 numbers? Is 65. Average is 65. 6 numbers are there. 65 into 6. Last 6 numbers. Okay, both of this is having x6, 6th number. Let us call this is x6. If you want to find that x6, you should subtract this with entire average, entire 11 members average is 63. If I am not wrong, I think you got, they given 63. If you subtract this first 6 and last 6 with this 11 numbers, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be there, subtracted, cancelled. Here x6 is extra, that is what x6 here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, here also 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 will be there. Cancel everything, only x6 will be left. Okay, so you can calculate this sixth number, 6 common, okay, I can take this as 125 into 6, which is 750 if I am not wrong, where if you subtract this 693, so guys, hope you got 57. That sixth number is nothing but 57. Find the sixth number. Okay. Not only this question, other questions also you should sense. If suppose I given 17 numbers, first 9 numbers, last 9 numbers. 17, 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, but they given 17. Means one extra. That extra one if you want to find, they'll ask 9th number like that. Okay, so you can sense the question easily, this model. This is the first question, my dear friends. Let's see the other question. Yeah, very good, Manoj and Rajshekhar. Excellent, my dear friends. See the next question in similar lines. See this here. 17 results is given. Like previous one, 11 numbers. Here 17. First 9, last 9. 9 plus 9, 18. But here 17 only there. One extra. That extra is 9th number only. 9th number is the extra one. First 9, 9 is there. Last 9 also 9 is there. Now no need to write all that. What we can do directly? First 9, last 9. From that you subtract the total 17 into 60. This will give the answer directly. Directly will get the answer. So this is 65, 57 if I add 122. 122 into 9. 122 into 9. If I am not wrong, it is 1098. No, right? So 122 into 9 we have to do. Here anyhow this is 1020. This is 1098. Yeah. 122 into 9 we have to do. If we got 1098 and 1020, subtracting that, you will get that 9th number directly. You can form the equation, big equation. Later you can understand this same point. 78 is the answer, my dear friends. If you just do this calculation, hope you got 78. Excellent, Vijay Lakshmi. Superb. 78, my dear friends. Directly you can attack this type of questions, but you sense what is the, how many numbers is given. Here first 9, last 9. They can change the question also. You should try to understand that. See the next question. This is about 8th one. See the 9th question, my dear friends. Here, this is very easy question. 3 people, A, B, C. Here 2 people, A and B. B and C, 2 people. 4 people are there. They given only 3 people. Here 2 and 2, 4 people. Okay, one extra. That extra is B. That extra is B. If you want B, okay, first 2 into 40, here only 2, right? This is only 2 people, 2 into 40. Here 2 into 43. From that, this 3 people should be subtracted, 3 into 45. So this is 80 and 83, 160, sorry 86, right? 80 and 86 will get 166. From this we should subtract 135. So guys, hope you solve this. You got 31 is the weight of B. B weight is nothing but 31. It's similar to that question only, right? You have 3 people, but 2 and 2, 4 people are there. So one extra, you can sense B directly. Previous questions also in similar lines. If you give the name, as it is only 3 or 4, okay, we are giving A, B, C like that. When you have 11 numbers, A, B, C, D is difficult to mention. If you understand this question at least, you can recall previous questions in similar lines, my dear friends, right? See the next question. Here slight change is there, slight change is there. Now 9 numbers is given. Here you have 5 and 3, 8 numbers only. One number is less. Previously they mentioned 11, here 6 plus 6, 12 is there, extra here compared to that. But now see the question, 9 numbers, this is also previous SSC CGL question, my dear friends. Concept is similar for all competitive exams, keep in mind, okay. Average of 9 numbers is 30. Here you have 5 numbers. First 5 numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 3 numbers means 7, 8 and 9. First 5 numbers means I can say 1, 2, 5. Last 3 numbers means 7 to 9, 7, 8, 9. Among 9 numbers 1 to 9, 5, 7 to 9. Sixth number is missed. That is what they are asking. Now if you want to find the sixth number, from this 9 numbers, 9 into 30, you have to remove that 5 numbers average and this 3 numbers average. 5 numbers average and this 3 numbers average you have to remove. So this. Here total 9 numbers, here 5 and 3, 8. Ninth number, 1 number is missed, that is 6th number actually. 1 to 5, this is 7, 8, 9. Right. Now here, this is 270, my dear friends. 125 and 105 is 230. So hope you got that 6th number is nothing but 40, right? You just check it out, my dear friends. 6th number is nothing but 40 here. So this, it is in similar lines. Yeah, Himanshu Shekhar, superb. Your answer is correct. Excellent, my dear friend. So like this, you can solve this type of questions. Average of 9 numbers is given, first group, second group, you have to find some 6th number or 7th number like that. Okay. So the next question. Now this is also in similar lines to previous one. 100 students. One answer from you people guys, fast. 100 students average is 32, 49 students is 30, 50 students is 34. Yeah, 49 and 50, 99 only. 100 students, but here 49 and 50 means 99 only. One person is missed. That is 50th student only. 149 students, first 49 students means 1 to 49. Last 50 students means 51 to 100. Last 50 means 51 to 100. You have 100 students, 1 to 100, 1 to 100, 100 students. First 49, 1 to 49. Last 50, 51 to 100. You want that 50th student means from the total 100, 50th one exactly you want means 100 into 32. You should remove this 49 and other 50. This 50 into 34 you should remove. Right. So if you just do this one, my difference, this is 3200. And here, yeah, you can take 50 into 30 and you can remove 30 from that. Okay, 1470 you will get. What I will do in general, 50 into 30 I will do. 50 into 30 is 1500. 49 means 130 I should remove. From 1500, 130 removed means 1470. This can be taken as 100 into 17. This 2 you can put it here, 100 into 17. You have n number of methods to do simplification or calculations. Yeah. Now 3170, 3200. Hope you got that 50th number is nothing but 30. So guys, let's see that 50th number is nothing but 30. Right, 50th number is nothing but 30, my dear friends. They given first 49, last 50. You should find the 50th student. Okay, 50th student is nothing but 30, my dear friends. Got it? Yeah. One more question. After this, we'll take a small break, my dear friends. So this 12th question. Average temperature of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. This is also previous SSC CGL question. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is there. Directly by this time when you do, yeah, sum equal to average into number of, right? That approach if you want to apply, sum equal to average into number of days or number of terms. Here days is there. First if you observe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, sum of that is nothing but average 48, number of days is 4. Next they mentioned Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, average is 52. So 52 into 4. If you subtract these two, my dear friends, you can observe here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is common. When you subtract these two, yeah, what do you got? Friday temperature, Friday is more. Friday temperature minus Monday temperature. 52 into 4 minus 48 into 4 is 4 into 4, 16. Friday, Monday temperature difference is 16. In question, they given Monday temperature already. If you just observe, my dear friends, temperature on Monday is given. Temperature on Monday is given as 42. You can calculate Friday temperature as 42 plus 16, nothing but 58, my dear friends. Friday temperature is nothing but 58. Simple, right? Equation solving. It's almost like equation solving, my dear friends. Forming the equation, solving the equation. Right? Okay. Yeah. 4 days. Next to 4 days, common is eliminated. Monday and Friday. One among this is given. You should find the other one. It's very simple way, right? Okay. So guys, after break, we'll go ahead with model 6 and model 7. You take a couple of minutes break, my dear friends. Join the session after break. Let us see the next model, my dear friends. Okay, in this model 6, so they are asking questions in SSC CGL related to monthly income, cricket based and ages related questions also they are asking in average. Okay, so this monthly income, you know, right? Okay, in income is nothing but saving plus expenditure. So using that point, you can solve this monthly income. Income is nothing but saving plus expenditure. In fact, in ratio, proportion and variations, in next session, we are going to discuss ratio, proportion, variations. There also we have a question related to income, saving and expenditures as well. Okay, cricket based question. So suppose here related to that, you have to know each over, okay, 6, suppose you have 50 overs match. Okay, 50 overs match is there. Okay, they'll mention total runs. They scored total runs is 240 or 250. Okay, total runs they scored is 250. So okay, in a match, in a one-day match with 50 overs. Okay, in 50 overs, total runs they scored is 250. They mention first 10 overs. First 10 overs, they scored 7.5 runs per over. This is generally called run rate. This term 7.5 runs per over is nothing but called run rate. Okay, they'll mention run rate is 7.5. Okay, 10 overs, first 10 overs run rate is 7.5 means they scored 7.5 runs per over. Meaning how many runs they scored in first 10 overs means, okay, each over 7.5, 10 into 7.5, okay, many of you know, okay, this is 75 runs, right. Now they'll ask, okay, to get total 250 runs, what is the run rate for remaining overs? Okay, their target is to score 250 runs, okay, in 50 overs. First 10 overs, they scored 7.5 runs per over or 7.5 run rate. Means 75 runs they already scored. Okay, remaining is what? Remaining runs is what? And how many overs is left? Right? So this type of questions they'll ask, my dear friends. So remaining you have 40 overs. Remaining is 40 overs. Your target is, among 250, 75 is already completed, right? You have to score 175 runs. 175 runs in 40 overs, my dear friends. Okay, what is the run rate you have to maintain? 175 divided by 40. Okay, each over how many runs we should decide. That's what, how many runs per over is nothing but called run rate. You can divide 175 divided, what is the run rate? RR, required run rate, triple R. Okay, so don't match this for something else. So, triple R means required run rate. Okay, 175 runs you have to score in 40 overs. So you should divide 175 with 40. What are the value you got? Okay, you can go ahead with that. That's what the required run rate. They'll ask you what is the run rate they have to maintain to achieve this target in remaining overs. Okay, that's what related to cricket based. Okay, and related to ages, there are many type of questions. Okay, we'll see one question related to that in previous SSC CGL. Okay. Now let's go ahead with that one, my dear friends. Questions related to these three. See the first question related to cricket based question. SSC CGL 2017 question, my dear friends. See here what they given. First 40 overs of a 50 overs innings. Okay, among 50 overs, first 40 overs. First 40 overs. The run rate is, they clearly mention run rate is 4.8 runs per over. 4.8 runs per over. Meaning how many runs they scored is 40 into 4.8, which is 40 into 48. Hope you got 192 runs. So in first 40 overs, 192 completed. Still 10 overs left. We have 10 more overs. Okay. Now related to that, what they given, what is the required run rates? Okay, that's what triple R. In remaining 10 overs, the target is 241. Target 241 in 50 overs. 241 is the target. Already 192 completed. Then here 8 runs, here 41. So 49 runs you have to score in 10 overs. 49 runs you have to score in 10 overs means required run rate is nothing but 4.9 runs per hour. Okay, so per over, sorry, not per hour. Per over, we have to score 4.9 runs per over. Okay, 50 overs is there. First 40 overs. Okay, next last 10 overs. In time, speed and distance, we have kilometer per hour, right? So in that flow, we are going with per hour, but this is per over. 4.9 runs per over. Okay, so we get 4.9. Similar question, next one, I think you can solve that. So I think today's session, this is 13th question. Next one, my dear friends, 14th question, this is in similar lines. Hope you people can practice this. Same previous question, slight change in the data. Instead of first 40, they given 45. Instead of 4.8, here 5.8 runs per hour. Their target is 295 instead of 241 like previous question. What is the required run rate you have to maintain? I hope you can practice this question similar to previous one. Okay. This is also SSC CGL 2017 question, my dear friends. Now, next one regarding that monthly income. Question related to monthly income. This model they are asking in SSC CGL specifically. Okay, and in fact, cricket based also they are focusing more on SSC CGL. Now, say this question, my dear friends. A man spends 1,800 monthly on an average for the first 4 months. First 4 months he spent, means that is expenditure. Okay, and he is spending 2,000 monthly for the next 8 months and save 5,600 a year. His average monthly income is what? See, annual income. If you want annual income, means for 12 months. For 12 months I want to find annual income means, what is 12 months expenditure? 12 months E means expenditure. What is the saving? So they are given clearly per year, means for 12 months only. For 12 months, what is our annual saving they mention? Annual expenditure, okay, better to maintain that flow only. Okay, annual expenditure, annual saving. Annual income is annual expenditure and annual saving. So for 1 year, what is the expenditure? For 1 year, what is the saving? Right. So guys, if you just see saving, annual expenditure and annual saving. What is the expenditure is, first 4 months spending 1,800 per month. Next 8 months, this is all related to expenditure only. Next 8 months they are spending 2,000 per month. Now they are saving 5,600 per year. This is totally, we got annual income, my dear friends. For 1 year the income is this much. Okay, so 7,200, here 1,600, yeah, this is sorry, yeah, 16,000, here 5,600 and 7,200. Then you want monthly income means we should divide by 12. They are asking monthly income. His average monthly income is what? So if you want to calculate monthly income, I should divide that with 12. Okay, monthly income. So all that value, whatever you got annual income, divided by, okay, 12. Annual income divided by 12 we have to do. Okay, what you got the annual income here? Yeah, you can, instead of this, if you want, okay, you can also take this value directly, divide with each one with 12. That's also fine. Or 7,200, 16,000, 23,200, 23,200. Along with this, I think 28,800, my dear friends. If you just see, I hope you got 28,800. Divide by 12 is 2,400. So monthly income is option C, my dear friends, 2,400. Annual income, this is average monthly income only. Yeah. On an average, how much he is getting is nothing but 2,400. 1 month he may get 2,000, Other month he may got 3,000 also. It can't say exactly this is the monthly income. That monthly income may vary. Okay, so average monthly income, that's why they are using the word 2,400 is the average monthly income. Same simple concept, income is saving plus expenditure or expenditure plus saving, right? Now say this age related question, my dear friends. Average age of 5 members of a family is 24 years. Among that 5 members, youngest member is 8 years old. Then what was the average age of the family at the time of the birth of the youngest member? Youngest member is age is 8 years, means they are asking 8 years ago, what is the average age of the family? What is the average age of the family? Lot of people, they are going with 16. It's wrong, my dear friends. What you are doing? Sir, you said when each member is decreased by 5, average decreased by 5. Here, 24 is the average, sir. 8 years ago means everybody in the family 8 less. Yeah, age is decreased by 8. So, 24 minus 8, average also decreased by 8, sir. You said that property when everybody age is decreased by 8, average is decreased by 8. Okay, fine. 24 minus 8, 16. So then why 16 is wrong? I given one condition also while giving that point. If each member is added or subtracted or multiplied divided by k, then average also having same effect. But condition is, note, is number of people must be same. Now number of people is not same. You have 5 people, but before the birth of that youngest child means you have only 4 people. Count is not matching. Same people are not there. Then what we should do, sir? Yeah, remove that youngest person initially now itself. Then you can do minus 8. You remove that youngest person now itself. Okay, then you will get okay minus 8 you can apply. How to do that is sum is average into, sum is nothing but average into number of persons. Okay, sum is equal to average into number of persons. Okay, here you have 5 members, right? Let it be M124, 4 members, and that youngest boy. Average is 24. As you have 5 members, 24 into 5, 120. This 4 members is there. Only youngest guy will be left over, right? The youngest boy is 8. I should remove that 8 here. 120 minus 8, which is 112. Now, what is the average of 4 members? These 4 members will be there before the birth of that youngest child also. That's what if you want to apply that property, each number subtracted by something, average is subtracted by same. If you want to apply, the number of persons must be same there and here. So now these 4 members, this youngest boy is not there before that birth, right? So that should be removed. Now that 4 members average is divide by 4. Yeah, hope you got 28. Now yes, average of 4 members now at present is nothing but 28. Now at the time of youngest, before that birth of this youngest member, before the birth of this youngest member means 8 years ago you have to go. So when you go 8 years ago, that 4 members, each person age is decreased by 8. You have 4 members, each person age is decreased by 8. So this new average 8 years ago means everybody age is decreased by 8, average also decreased by 20. So that's what, my dear friends, when you learn, try to make sure you have, keep in mind the terms and conditions. Terms and conditions already mentioned in the introduction in previous session. So guys, 20, right? Okay, good, my dear friends. So 20 years is the answer. So the next question, this is how they're asking question related to ages. Remaining all questions are a bit easy. This is the point where you may confuse. Why not 24 minus 8, 16? Why we are not taking directly is, here youngest boy will be there, but 8 years ago that youngest boy will not be there. So same people, same count we require. If you want to apply that property, same members will be available here and there. Got it? Now see the last model, my dear friends, very easy. This type of questions specifically they are asking in SSC CGL, very easy questions. Okay. see they are asking twice, thrice, one third. They mention in the question. Suppose they'll mention average of first three numbers is twice the fourth number, or average of first three numbers is one third of the fourth number, or average of first two numbers is three times the average third number. They'll mention twice, thrice, four times like that. This type of questions specifically they are focusing in SSC CGL. See the previous year question, directly the question, my dear friends. Hope this is 17th question. Yeah. First time I guessed correct, right? So 17. Now say this, the average of first three numbers is double of the fourth number. First three numbers average is double the fourth number. If the average of all the four numbers is 12, find the fourth number they are asking. Okay. Now clearly see that average of first three numbers is double the fourth number, right? So I can say, I can consider like fourth number, let it be equal to A. This three numbers average is now double the fourth number, means 2A. Means I can consider everything is A, 2A, 2A, 2A like that. Average is 2A means we can imagine everything is same, 2A, 2A, 2A like that. Okay. Now this is the four numbers. I can say 2A first number, second number 2A, third number 2A, fourth number is A. We can consider like this. Now average of these four numbers is nothing but 12. Average sum 7A divided by number of is 12. Now A is nothing but 48 divided by 7. So guys, they are asking fourth number. What is the fourth number here? Fourth number we consider is nothing but A. So A is nothing but fourth number 48 divided by 7. Let's see, they mentioned, okay, average of first three numbers is double the fourth number. Sir, average is 2A. Why you consider average means what? Maintain equality. I can imagine every number is 2A, 2A, 2A. Now total 7A, average is sum of terms divided by number of terms. 7A divided by 4 is 12. 7A is 48. A is 48 by 7. Fourth number is 48 divided by 7. Option B. Got it? Like this they are giving easy questions. See the two more questions related to this similar format, my dear friends. Previous question 2013, now this is SSC CGL 2017 question. Of the three numbers whose average is 40, three numbers average is 40. First is one third of the sum of other two. First number is one third of the sum of other two. Okay, I can put like second number and third number is 3 times the first number. If suppose first number is 3, these two numbers summation is nothing but equal to 3A. You just see in this way also, yes, first number is one third of the sum of other two. Yeah, remaining to 3A divided by 3 is A. Or you can put the statement in reverse. Okay, these two numbers, sum of other two is nothing but thrice the first number. Like that also you can put question in a easy format. Three numbers, okay, they are given, yes, divided by 3 is the first number. These two numbers 3A divided by 3 is nothing but first number they mentioned. Okay, fine, A and 3A. Now what you can consider? This number I can take it like A and 2A or 1.5A, 1.5A. It's your wish, your wish. Okay. Now the average is 40. Average is what? Sum of this. Sum of this is 4A divided by 3 numbers only, right? Average is sum A and this is 3A. 4A divided by total number is 3. That they given us 30. Now you got A is nothing but 90 divided by 4. Question, what they are asking here, okay, A is nothing but 90 divided by 4. They are asking what is the first number. One moment. They are asking first number, right? Okay. Sorry, Here what you got? This is 4a divided by 3. Yes, average is of 3 numbers whose average is 40. So sum of this is nothing but 4a divided by 3 is 30. We got here 45 divided by 2, it's 22.5, no option. First is 1/3 of the sum of other two. Okay, other two, if it is 3a, first number is 1/3 of that a, it's clear. Average is 40 they given. So average means sum of this, sum is 4a, number of terms is 3 only. Okay, fine, divided by 3. They given average is 40. See, I taken here in a wrong format, so that's what we are getting a wrong answer. Sorry guys, yeah, agreed. Here this is 40 they given, right? So yeah, it's simple. You got 30, right? Directly we can put a is nothing but equal to 30. That's what. Concept is clear. A small mistake in the calculations. Instead of 40, I taken here 30. That's why things went wrong. So a is nothing but equal to 30, my dear friends. So we can go with option D. Got it? Now one more question. Yeah, very good, Anju. Yeah, Vijayalakshmi, superb. Excellent. So see the last question. This format, my dear friends. See this 19th one. This question, 3 numbers whose average is 112, first number is 1/6 the sum of the other two. I think it's pretty much similar to previous question, right? Okay, but here they mentioned 1/6. So this is a, this is 6a. Okay, now you can do very fast. Okay, average is nothing but sum 7a divided by 3 is nothing but 112 they given. This is, yeah, we can cancel with 7. 7, 1 times 7, okay, we have 42, 16. 16 into 3, a is nothing but 16 into 3, 48, my dear friends. You can go ahead with option D, right? Okay, option D, my dear friends, a is nothing but equal to 48. So 3 numbers whose average is 112, first number is 1/6 of the sum of the other two. So other two numbers, 1/6 of that is the first number. So 6a, 1/6 of that means a. Okay, likewise we can consider, some people are taking, so this is x, this is x by 6. Don't go with, okay, x by 6 and all, it will be complicated for you people to do sum and divided by number of, very easy in integer format. Okay, take this as 6, this is a, what's wrong? Instead of taking this as x and this is x by 6, making it as a complicated equation, we can go like this, right? Very good, my dear friends. Okay, so hope you understand this entire averages concept, my dear friends. We have around 7 models. Okay, so I'll just go ahead with the first slide. You can see all those models clearly. 7 models we mentioned as per SSC CGL focused. Okay, we have many questions discussed. Finding correct average when there is a wrong entry in the question, how to do that, and how to use this properties. Okay, see, basics and basic properties. Yes, basics and properties related. First one, basics, is equal distribution, how to handle that, and finding correct average when there is a mistake in the entry, when there is wrong entry, when one student marks are entered wrong or 2 students marks are entered wrong, how to correct that average. Then one person included or 2 people included, 1 or more people including, 1 or more people excluded, 1 or more people replaced, how to handle that. We given the shortcut when 1 people included, 1 people excluded, 1 people replaced, one equation format we given, or else you can use equal distribution concept there. Okay, but when you have more people are including and excluding, try to go ahead with the equation format, because your imagination may disturb. When more people include, more people excluded, you can go with equation also. Okay, next, yes, weighted averages. There is a 2 or 3 groups. What is the average of the whole group? First group average given, second group average given, third group average given. What is the average of whole group? Or 2 groups is there, first group average, whole group average is given. What about the second group average? Okay, to find that we can go with weighted averages. And yes, among 12 numbers, first 7 numbers, last 6 numbers. First 7, last 6 among 12 numbers. What is the 7th number? Like that they can ask you. 7 and 6 means 13, but we have 12. You have to find that 7th number. Or they can mention among 12 numbers, first 6 numbers, last 5 numbers. Find the 7th number. First 6, last 5, find the 7th number among 12 numbers. Like that they'll ask here, find nth number when average of first 5 and last q is given, we have to find that nth number. That model we discussed today. And monthly income, yeah, using that income is saving plus expenditure concept, you can go ahead. Cricket based questions. Among 50 overs match at 20 overs match, okay, 10 overs completed, the run rate is given. What is the required run rate to achieve so and so target in the remaining overs? Right. And next one is ages related. Okay, if you have 3 people, we discussed ages questions here also. In this remaining concepts also we discussed regarding ages, but here specifically, yes, average 10 years ago or 8 years ago, if you want to apply that, okay, you make sure the number of people must be same. And yes, twice, thrice, 1/3 or 1/6 if they mention the question, how to handle that we discussed. Okay, so guys, hope you understand this averages concept. Make sure tomorrow you sharp 7 p.m. you join the session. We have ratio, proportion, variations concept in tomorrow's session, my dear friends, followed by partnership and ages concept in next session. Hope you people join the session tomorrow. Okay, try to learn and try to practice all these questions. Okay, thank you so much, my dear friends.